Mind blank. Forum theatre. What is mind blank? What is forum theatre? Why am I asking me? Because I know, that's why. But before I tell you anything, let me show you something. Inside this building is Dan. Dan is young, unemployed, he's run away from home and his school. He's terribly lonely and he's depressed. He's just about to make an important decision in his life, one that will seemingly make his life better, but will, in fact, make his life a living hell. Come with me. This way. Shh. Dan's just about to arrive.
Hey guys, what you watching? TV.
Come have a chill with us, man. Have a cone? Have a smoke?
No, I'm good, eh?
Take a load off, man. It's alright. We haven't had a chance to relax with you yet.
Yeah, that's right. I'll probably just head off to bed.
Why? Have a cone.
I've never really done it, so I don't know.
What?
Ever? What?
Ever.
No, never.
After
You try once.
Here you go.
That's
Mouth. There.
Yeah. Can load him up.
Pull in. Yep.
Freeze! And this is the start of a new era in Dan's life. He thinks he's found the answers to all these feelings of loneliness and poor self-esteem. And this is forum theatre. You, the audience, get to decide what happens next. You can think of anything that may help Dan resist the onslaught of this peer pressure. Anything that is, except maybe changing who the character is, or coming up with a magic solution. He's rich, for instance, or a pregnant woman, or... Actually, I like that idea. Let's make him Scottish as well.
Oh, no. I can't do any drugs. I've got a baby.
Freeze! And this is what Mind Blank does. It promotes mental health issues in a nice, safe, entertaining way. But let's get some serious suggestions. What do you guys think?
I reckon you should just tell him to go get stuffed.
Get stuff?
Yeah.
No, I think you should pretend to smoke it.
Pretend to smoke?
Yeah.
You can't pretend to smoke it. No, you're right. You should just man up and say no.
Okay, so what is it, guys? Is it pretend to smoke it or just say no?
Say no.
Say no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's try that. In this scene, Dan's just going to say no, and we'll see if this works for him.
Hey guys, what you watching?
TV. Had a long day, man.
Yeah, big day.
Come over, have a sit, have a chill, bit of a cone, maybe?
Nah, I'm good.
Go on, mate.
No, I better not. Nah.
But why?
Just no. I've never done it, so no, I've got to...
Come on, man. You know, never done it.
No, you never know. Come on.
Yeah, you gotta sit down. Come on.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright.
Okay,
Put your mouth on the hole there. Yep, and just breathe in.
Freeze! So that didn't work. And that's what you get. It's the audience versus the actors. The audience are trying to fix things, and the actors are trying to remind the audience that things aren't always that easy to fix. This is how Mind Blank promotes mental health awareness in a fun, safe, and informative way. People will walk away from the Mind Blank experience with specific knowledge of mental health issues, ways of promoting good behaviour, and tactics for avoiding harm during times of crisis. I love leaving these guys frozen. Makes me feel like a man. But what about Dan? What should he do next? This is one of the many bad decisions he makes. What would you do next? Well, you get to fill in the blanks. That's Mind Blank.
It was really cool. It was really interesting and different to all the other kinds of plays I've seen before because it just tried something different. I mean, the other plays is not interactive and you just kind of sit there as if you're watching something. Whereas with this, it's more like you're part of the action. It's like in a show when you feel like the character's doing something wrong and you want to tell them what to do, you just can't.
Coming and standing at a microphone and speaking to people, yes, They will get some messages out. Yes, they will let people know that services are available. But I think this format was far more interactive. It was far more, calling on students, as Donna said, to reflect on their own situation, to suggest solutions or things that they could do, and actually probably a much better way of engaging with the subject.
There are lots of variables into what makes people spiral down, and there are lots of different ways to deal with those things, and so it was eye-opening as to new ways, to the ways other people think, to the ways that they would do something, instead of just always being inside my own head, and to think about what they've said and think, maybe that's a good idea. And that was really, really very eye-opening.